Automatic rotary packing machine application to various shapes, state and nature of products, such as candy, chips, nuts, frozen dumplings, biscuits, mothballs, pet food, puffed food, hardware, plastic parts, etc. The machine adopts precision indexing device and PLC to control each action and working station. Packing speed 65 bags, min, and the actual speed depends on type of products and pouch. Machine working process. Vertical type pouch feeding gives, date coding gives, pouch top opening plus pouch bottom opening gives, filling station 1 plus filling station 2 plus pouch bottom vibrating gives, heating gives forming and discharging. More details, PLS contact us.